Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Chioma Nwosu and you can call me Chimi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a very simple, very effective and very quick face mask. This face mask is pleated and it has a filter pocket. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so before we go right into this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my tutorial anymore. And on this channel we upload sewing videos, so basically this channel is all about sewing, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So yeah, if you're ready, let's go right into it. Okay, so here is the pattern you will need for this tutorial. It's actually 9 inches by 9 inches, so it's a perfect square. Okay, so you just cut this out. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to place it on the fabric and you're going to cut it out. Now you're going to cut it out on a fold like I have done. This is actually on a fold. So we're going to cut now on a fold. Okay, so now I'm just going to fold the edges just about 1 inch inside, and I'm just going to iron that. And now I'm going to fold the other edge, and I'm also going to iron that, so it's just about 1 inch. Now I'm going to fold it into 2, and I'm not going to fold it all the way to the top. I'm just going to leave about 1 inch as well, and I'm going to fold it in like so you can see how I am folding it. Now I'm going to actually iron that as well. Just give it a good press here like I'm doing now. So you see it's going to have like an opening like this, just like an envelope kind of. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pleat about 1 inch. So just now I'm going to pleat it again. So my pleating is just about 1 inch, and I'm just eyeballing it. And then I'm going to pleat it again. So this is a very fast way, to create this. It's just about 3 pleating. Then you just iron like I'm doing. I find this to be very easy and very fast, very fast and effective. So now I'm just going to measure. I have about 3.5 inches, so that's very good. It's good enough. So I'm also going to be needing elastic. So this elastic is about 6 inches in length, so that's what I'm going to be using for this particular face mask. So right now I'm just using a needle and thread to secure the pleats after pinning it down. So after securing the pleats, now I'm going to also attach the elastic from the top and from the bottom. So as you can see, my elastic is placed facing inward, not facing outside. It's facing inward. So I'm going to secure the elastic as well using my thread and a needle with just simple basic stitches. Okay, so now that my elastic is secured, similarly I'm going to attach the elastic on the other side. So now I'm just taking out the pins. So if you look very well, you will see the edges are actually framed. I'm just going to trim that out, all the excess thread and every other thing that is hanging loose there. I'm going to flip it around. This is the opposite side of where the elastic was. So I'm just going to flip it about ½ inch. Then I'm going to flip it right inside again. is going to keep the elastic secured, and it's going to keep the edges trimmed, and it's going to give us a very good finishing. So we're just going to secure that with pins as well. So now that I've secured it with pins, this is the way it's looking. I'm going to gradually use my needle and thread to actually stitch this like so. So at this point you have to just gently and take your time to stitch this so that it can look very neat and very good. Okay, so yeah, if you don't have a sewing machine, it's possible to get this done, but honestly, if you have a sewing machine and you know how to use one, it's going to save you a lot of time to get this done. So if you saw my other video on the 100 mask giveaway, this particular mask is actually the same type of mask that I gave out to the people in my community, but I decided to use straps like ropes instead of using the elastic. Recently I discovered that elastic is really becoming scarce in the market. It's not just to purchase elastic, because every other person is actually making masks, so they actually need the elastic as well. So after I finish folding and hemming the side of the mask, I'm actually going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm actually done stitching the other side, and is completed, it's done. So look at the way it's looking. When you open it up, it stretches, it covers the nose and the mouth properly, and yeah, it's very good. So now this is the filter pocket that we have on, so there you can insert. I'm just going to show you how to insert that. Okay, so there you can just open it up and insert whatever you want to use as a filter in there. Okay, so this opens up very well, and it's just like a pillowcase kind of, so it's very good, and honestly it covers up very well. So thank you so much for watching this particular tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.